In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most underutilized tips when it comes to publishing YouTube videos. And hey, I'm going to tell you straight away, but don't leave when I told you. I'm going to tell you a few more little bits of interesting information about this and explain exactly the steps that you need to take as well. So the underutilized tip is to post and publish your YouTube videos onto Reddit. If you haven't heard, there's two really important things about Reddit that everybody should know in 2026. Now, I will say that I've been giving this advice for a long time. And let me just tell you that the reason why I do this, if you've ever published a YouTube video, you'll notice at the end it says, hey, you've published your video. Where do you want to promote it? Click on one of these buttons to promote it on your favorite social media platform. And it lists a bunch of places. But one of the things I noticed a long time ago now, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, is that if I publish my videos directly to Reddit, and I told people you don't even need to go into subreddits or anything like that. If you just post it to your profile, I noticed that both Google and Twitter would pick this up really, really quickly. I used to think that Twitter, X was the place to be. If you publish the videos to X, Google would find it much quicker, but actually Reddit became the source of this information. It was far easier to be found SEO wise when you posted it to Reddit, just in your profile, not in any other place. So if you're scared like I am of Reddit, you're thinking, what will people say? Maybe all the trolls live on Reddit. Now, you might remember in 2025, Reddit actually overtook X in the social media rankings. I think it knocked it off its perch and it became number 5 on the list. And actually, Reddit has now taken over TikTok as the 4th most viewed, visited social media platform. It replaces Facebook and Instagram. I know that for sure. I think the other one is YouTube. It has to be, but I can't find the actual source of the information, which is well annoying. But it becomes the 4th most visited site, and it says that traffic has increased by 88%. So that's important. But also, just if you're in the current digital landscape and you're thinking about AI, what I also know is that Reddit is the source of information for LLMs, large language models. Between YouTube and Reddit, 25% of the sources cited on large language models like ChatGPT are YouTube and Reddit. YouTube is about 10%, Reddit is about 26%. So between those two things, think about this. If you publish your content and you put it on Reddit and you put it in the bio and Google's SEO, it's crawling that information and it's showing it up in search results, and you've published it on YouTube, you've got a 1 in 4 chance when people are searching for the phrases that your videos answer. And that's what we need to be doing, guys. We need to be creating videos where we know our ideal client's searching for something. We want to be the answer, right? You've got a 1 in 4 chance of being in those results inside of AI as well. So this is really cutting edge information. Like, nobody's talking about this stuff. And I think it's so important for us as YouTubers to make sure that we are front and center and taking all of these tips, tricks, and tactics and implementing them in our YouTube channel. So let's just talk about the steps that you go through then. So when you publish your video, what will happen is that the icons come up and it says share to your favorite platform. I always click on Reddit. When you click on Reddit, it will say, where do you want to share it? I click on my profile. I copy the title in there. I copy and paste the URL of the actual video itself. And then I just hit post. That's it. That's me done. I've put it in my profile. My profile is public anyway. Make sure your profile is public. And then Google will index that video and that post. And it's just a little bit of good SEO juice. And you're more likely to be found for the phrases that people are searching for. All right. So number 1 tip in 2026 for getting in front of more people when you're promoting your own YouTube content is to use Reddit as the best platform. My name is Matt Hughes, King of Video. This is the Matt Full Time channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.